G'day folks, today we're putting Android P on the Nokia 7 Plus. This is the beta version. We're going to go through step by step on how to do this. It's not that hard, so without further ado, let's go put Android P on our Nokia 7 Plus. Quick disclaimer at the start of this, it erases all data. So back everything up. The risk is yours, not mine. If you do this to your phone and you wreck it, that's your problem, not mine. Now the first thing you want to do is go to the Nokia website for developers. There's a link down below and I'm going to walk you through how to do this as well. So you go to the Nokia website and then you put in your details, you put in your IMEI code and your operator and you sign up, and then it says whether you can have Android P on your device or not. If it says you can, then we're good to go. Then you sign up and you click I agree and you click download. So it's pretty simple. Then the next thing we want to do is go to our settings, scroll down to system. Now you need to go to about phone, go down to build number and tap that 7 times until it says that you're a developer. Once that's happened, you go back one step, click into developer options and scroll down till it says USB debugging. You want to click that on, just like so. Press OK. So that enables you to flash the firmware onto your phone. Now that you've done that, you've downloaded the software, you also need to download minimal ADB and Fastboot files and install them on your PC. Again, link down below, and here's how I've done it on my computer. Download it to C drive, run it and install it. Now what I also do is I copy the firmware that I'm going to flash onto my device into the same folder. That way I have everything there that I need. Now that that's installed and everything's ready to go on your PC, we need to get our phone connected to our PC. So get your USB cable that came with your device and plug it into your PC. Now that we've done this, we want to plug in our USB cable into our phone, just like that. Okay. USB debugging connected. That's what we want. Now don't tap to disconnect. You want USB debugging connected. Now we go to our Fastboot folder that we downloaded and installed earlier. Within there it says CMD-here. Double click on that. This will open a command prompt within the folder that we want to execute from. Now that we're in here, you need to type ADB space reboot space recovery and then hit enter. And then it comes up with on your device, allow USB debugging. I click always allow from this computer and click OK. So now I'm going to write that same execution again. ADB space reboot space recovery. Enter. And this time it's rebooting my phone into recovery mode. Now that we're here, hold the power key down and press the volume up key once. And that brings us to this menu. Now that we're in here, we want to go down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. So you better have backed everything up. Press the power button to select, scroll down to yes. Wiping data, formatting data, data wipe complete. Now that we've done that, we want to go Apply Update from ADB and select with the power button. This is where you write ADB space sideload space the name of your file .zip and then hit enter. Now if you get this wrong, it'll fail to execute, and if you forget to put .zip, it'll fail to execute as well. ADB space sideload space name of the file .zip and hit enter. And then it says serving, name of the file, .zip, 2%, 3%, and it's executing the command that we've given it. Verifying update package, finding update package, opening update package, verifying update package. Now this takes about 10 minutes, so I'm going to pause and come back to us. Alright, so it says now we're on step 2 of 2. We're at 94%. Everything seems to be going as planned. Now this is saying here, E failed to open driver control, no such file or directory, failed to mount logs, invalid argument. But I'm going to reboot system now by selecting that with the power button. And let's see, I did this the other day, same thing happened, and it worked. So I'm guessing that's just something that it's telling me down below. It's not something to do with the overall firmware being successful or not, but we'll find out. So far we have the correct boot screens happening, so that's a good sign. Always got to be patient on your first boot as well. Don't go turning your device on and off all the time, because it will load, it just takes a bit of time. And here we go. Welcome. Let's go. So I'll just get through this quickly. Welcome to this Android developer preview. Now I'm going to go through this, I'll set it up. Give me 1 second. 3, 2, 1 now. Alright, here we are, we're back. We've got the phone setting up now as it's supposed to be. Android P is working nicely. I can see a couple of quick changes in the UI and how everything's laid out already. So definitely is working, happy with it. Like I said, I did do this 2 days ago, so I already know what I'm playing with. But as you can see, you follow those steps that are on the website, follow the steps in this video, you'll have Android P on your Nokia 7 Plus as well. Happy days, get amongst it, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.